Okay, so I saw this video from Unboxing Therapy, and they found the best-selling wireless speaker on Amazon. And I thought, oh, I want to try this for myself. I want to see what is the best-selling speaker, the most popular speaker on Amazon. So they have this website where they have the most popular stuff, and then you go here into electronics, and then you scroll through and see when you see your first speaker. And there's all kinds of items you can look at, and there's numbers on there, what sells most on electronics, and you go through and you're looking. So at one point, if it's a best-selling speaker, you would think they would sell that like nobody's business here, but on page 1, nothing. Let's see, next page, what do we have here? A GoPro Hero, look at that. Sells better than a Bluetooth speaker. Then those, what is that, like iPad kind of things, TV monitors. There is one. So this is the first Bluetooth wireless speaker there is. So that is the best-selling one as of today. There it is, and I thought, okay, so let's buy this thing. I ordered it, and then we're going to see how this thing is going. I click through here, I order it, and then we're going to compare and see what it does. But it's not the one I saw on Unboxing Therapy, what is supposed to be the best-selling one right now. This one is the best-selling one, according to the website. Let's play this. In the background, I'm starting it. And what I wanted to do was to do a review of this speaker here. Right, this company is AOMAIS. AOMAIS. I wanted to review this. But then I turned it on and I listened to it. So I decided I want to do comparison first. Okay, so this Bluetooth speaker has 2 little drivers in here, and on the back here it does have passive reflector. So basically the same principle as those JBL speakers use. Like, for example, this one. This one has 1 driver up front and a passive radiator up front. And so yeah, I listened to this, and I hope my microphone setup here can handle this. I want to turn this on and compare. Why do I want to compare? They both are the same price. Let's turn this off. Size-wise, this one compares to the JBL Flip. And let's see, am I not playing? from sitting here and listening to both, I have to say this here is definitely better. I only like, really, there is no question. This thing beats that speaker like by a bunch. There is no question about it. And this one here, what has the same price as this, is almost as good as this one. If I would have to make a choice which one I buy, I would probably use this one because it's smaller, so I get the same sound of something smaller, easier to carry around. But if I have the money, and I'm not sure right now how much more expensive this is, probably a lot more because this was around $30 now. I would say if I have the money I would go with this one, but here I'm not sure. I saw on this other channel, Unboxing Therapy, where he said that this is the most sold speaker on Amazon. And he tested the version 1. This is version 2. So I don't know if I see the name of it here. It doesn't say it anyways, yeah. That's strange. On the box it says this is version 2. On the other channel there, they tested version 1. Yeah, so for the looks, I like the looks. I like this orange. It's like part of what I have on my channel. It feels heavy. Same weight as that. They're both the same weight. Almost the same size. This one has more bass than this, for sure. So yeah, I don't know. It's not bad for the price, but it doesn't sound as good as a JBL. Those two are pretty close to each other.